everybody, today we're going to be looking at this digraph. Now remember, a digraph is two letters that make one sound, and this digraph has these two letters, O and A. O and A together, they're the best of friends and they make the O sound. Can you say that sound with me? O. Now your turn. Well done, that's fantastic. Right, for this video, you are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil. So pause the video and go and get yourself a piece of paper and a pencil. Now that you've got your piece of paper and your pencil, I want you to draw 4 phoneme frames just like mine. In a moment, the video is going to show these 4 phoneme frames and you have to fill in the missing box. Now, the missing boxes are all going to have the O sound in it today. So remember, this is how we write the O sound. O and A. O. So fill in the missing box with the O sound just like this. O. Do that with all of your phoneme frames. Then see if you can read them and see if you can recognise the word. Off you go. Did you manage to write the O sound in your phoneme frame? Your phoneme frames should look like this. Did you manage to read them too? Let's have a go together. Now remember, we're looking at the O sound. So my O sound is the word that we were missing. Let's sound it out together. Let's do the first word together. G-O-T. G-O-T. Goat. Let's do the next one. B-O-T. B-O-T. Boat. Fantastic reading. Let's do the next one. T-O-D. T-O-D. Can you hear the word? Well done. Toad, toad. Let's do the last one. See if you can sound out this one. S, O, P. A little bit faster. Soap, soap. Well done. That was fantastic writing and brilliant reading. Now, I've got a game for you. Let's rub these off the board. Now, my game is buried treasure. And look, we've got a treasure chest. The treasure chest is for the real words. And we have a bin. And the bin is for the nonsense words, the words that aren't real, fake words. And I have some pirate treasure coins. And all of my pirate treasure coins have words on them. And look, they've all got the O sound. Let's see if we can read these words and see if we put them in the treasure chest for the real words or in the bin for the nonsense words. Are you ready? Let's have a look at the first one together. O-F. O-F. Roaf. I'm not sure about that one. What do you think? Real or nonsense? Roaf. That's right. It's nonsense. Roaf is not a real word. Let's try the next one. G-O-K. G-O-K. Goak. What do you think? Real or nonsense? That's right. Goak is nonsense. It does not make sense. Let's try the next one. Let's sound it out together. S-O-P. Soap. 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 I always use soap to wash my hands. What do you think? Real or nonsense? That's right. It's real. Soap. We use soap to wash our hands. Now let's have a look at the next one. Coat. 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 What do we think? Real or nonsense? That's right. It's real. When do you wear your coat? I wear my coat in the rain. Now, I've got 2 left. Let's see if you can sound out these ones. Are you ready? I'll press the sound buttons. Go a little bit faster. Did you get that word? M-O-N. M-own. Moan. Oh, I might moan if I'm bored. What do we think? Real or nonsense? Moan. That's right. It's real. And the last one, see if you can sound out this one. Little bit faster. Did you get that word? Let's try it together. F-O-P. Fope. What do you think? That's right. It's nonsense. It doesn't make sense. Fope is not a real word. Look, you've sorted all of my coins with the O sound in it. Well done. Now, I've got another challenge for you. In a moment, a picture is going to appear on the screen. See if you can think of a sentence for this picture. Did you think of a sentence for that picture? It was a goat wearing a coat. Oh my goodness. Let's see if we can write that together. A goat in a coat. A goat in a coat. Now remember, at the start of a sentence, what do we need? That's right, we need capital letters. So I need a capital A. A. A goat. Now, what else do we need in a sentence? That's right, we need finger spaces. A goat. My next word is goat. How do you sound out goat? It has the O sound in it. G-O-T. Well done. G-O-T. A goat in. A goat in a... Oh, what was that goat wearing again? A goat in a coat. Fantastic. Sound out coat for me. That's right. O A goat in a coat. Oh, what else do I need in a sentence? That's right, I need a full stop. There we go. That's my sentence finished. See if you can write a sentence about this picture. Did you see that picture? Oh no, the toad is in the road. I wrote a sentence, but my sentence is wrong. See if you can help me fix it. I have here a toad the road. Oh, what do we need at the beginning of a sentence? That's right, we need a capital letter. Does my sentence start with a capital letter? Absolutely not. Let's rub it out and let's change it to a capital A. A toad. Something doesn't look right with my spelling of toad. Can you help me? Have a look at the O sound. What do you notice is wrong? That's right, I have the O sound mixed up. How do I write the O sound? O and A. A toad the road. It still doesn't make sense. Where was the toad? A toad in. A toad in the road. That's much better. Thank you for your help. There's just one thing missing. A full stop. A toad in the road. Is that what you wrote too? Well done. Now, come back tomorrow for the next sound. Bye.